What is your role with Macregen?
Hello, my name's Robert Scott and I'm the Principal Consultant for Topical Drug Delivery with Macregen.
How did you come up with the idea to use cell-penetrating peptides to treat eye diseases?
I'd been trying to work out a way of getting a protein anti-scarring molecule into the eye without injection. I attended the Association for Research into Vision and Optics and had the opportunity to review all the different posters and talks by the other researchers in the field who were able to explain to me why they felt that their approaches hadn't been successful yet. It was at that meeting that I had the idea to use small positively charged protein molecules to coat the negatively charged larger molecules and help them pass through the coats of the eye and into the eye. I was able to discuss this with my co-workers at the University of Birmingham, and we came up with some candidate molecules that not only took the potential drug that I was looking at into the front of the eye, but also a wide range of molecules into the eye, including antibodies that could treat the wet form of macular degeneration and also potentially the mitia molecule.
How can cell-penetrating peptides be used to help patients with AMD?
Currently, the treatments for age-related macular degeneration only address the wet form of the disease, and with these patients they require monthly injections into the middle of their eyes. This is tremendously restrictive to the patients and is a great burden on the healthcare providers. With the cell-penetrating peptide, not only these drugs for wet macular degeneration can be delivered without injections, but also treatments for dry age-related macular degeneration can be delivered without injections, and this will be a tremendous benefit to the patients.
What are other major eye diseases where topical drug delivery would benefit patients?
There are a great many eye diseases where either systemic or injected treatments have to be given that could be helped by topical treatments. And these include those for glaucoma, for diabetic retinopathy, for uveitis, and other forms of macular degeneration.
How can self-administered eye drops save money and reduce doctor and patient time?
Current injected treatments for macular degeneration cost the taxpayer vast amounts of money, and they require the patient to attend a clinic every month of their life. This is very restrictive to the patients and is a great burden on the healthcare system. A topical treatment would get rid of these problems by allowing the patient to treat themselves at home. It could also potentially allow a more tailored dose of the drug to be given to each patient.
How significant and valuable do you think a breakthrough technology such as these eye drops be worldwide?
There is a very huge benefit in delivering new drugs topically, where previously they would have to be injected into the eye, because it will allow patients to actually benefit from the treatments where healthcare facilities maybe aren't as well developed, and also it allows patients to be more free of the healthcare facilities that would otherwise be regularly injecting their eyes. This creates a tremendous value for any such medication or platform technology to deliver that medication.
When do you think this technology can be made available to patients?
Currently, we're conducting preclinical trials, and we'll go on to conduct more formal toxicology studies of the cell-penetrating peptides, and we should be able to start some trials of MITIA with the cell-penetrating peptide to treat dry age-related macular degeneration within around 3 to 4 years.